2015, blowing up a dryer.
15.
2015, that's what I just said, Abby. 270 caliber. Shh. You shut up, Abby.
I was just telling you to be quiet.
Oh!
Miss!
All right. Is it my turn?
Come on, Mom! Blow it up like last
Oh, what
time.
happened? Your bag exploded, dude.
Huh?
Your bag.
Yeah.
The bag exploded?
The back
Somebody got caught
exploded.
there?
I'm gonna take a video.
Caught on what?
Jeez,
I
Brian.
don't know. It's all right. If it is.
That's all right.
Yeah.
Okay, yes, videotape the damage.
It's just a Walmart beanbag, man. No big deal.
Yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy that he didn't hit it.
Yeah, it's, hold on, stop touching. We're gonna leave it right
How
there.
strong was
We'll
that?
pick
Did
it up
that hurt?
after. Hold
Yeah,
on. No.
yeah,
Don't play with
Okay,
it.
Awesome.
Don't play with it. We're gonna leave it right there because it'll still work.
Is that your first time
Okay.
shooting a
Don't touch it.
70?
No.
Brian.
Have you hunted
Can
before?
you record?
Yeah,
First time shooting a high-powered rifle?
No.
Oh, good.
What kind of
First time
rifle?
missing in front of a bunch of people.
You have dads, okay?
Don't feel bad. There's 2 or 3 great white hunters.
You're shooting now? Now you're shooting?
It's the gun. It's not yeah. That's what I'm gonna go with. Yeah.
There we go.
What?
You're gonna go with the gun.
Mom, are you gonna go? Do it. Do it, please. If you go, Mom, can I help you?
No,
That'll
no,
shoot.
Forward safe,
Why not?
Brian, or back?
no, not for. I
Forward
don't.
is
I don't
fire.
touch guns after I've been
Back
drinking.
is safe.
Why not?
The safe is on.
Other people have been drinking.
I know.
But Mom, this is a contest.
I'm
Just do
different.
it, please.
I'm different.
Please, I'll help you.
No.
Why not?
Aim at the bottom.
Come on, Mom. You're gonna shoot the
Like
270.
last time.
Load it up.
Blew it up.
Yeah. You'll have to push the safe off if you're getting ready to fire.
Okay, Mom. Blow it up.
Whoa!
Hey, eject it. Eject the shell. Here. Here. Abby, don't. No. Leave them up there.
She blew it up 2 times.
I know.
Can I go?
Nope.
Why not?
That's it.
No, can you?
That's it. We're not shooting it anymore. We're good.
No, can I go deer hunting?
Look at it.
Oh,
Can we
maybe
go look
someday.
at it?
Yeah, go look at it.
Let's go look at it. Okay,
Let's go look at it.
270 shells.
Yep, 270.
What? What? I can keep those.
My mom is the best at this. And that was her 3rd time she shot a power rifle. Yesterday was her 2nd.
Whoa!
Oh yeah. I'm gonna be more fire.
Whoa! That smells. Woo! Blew it up.
Wow.
She's good, isn't she?
Uh-huh. Be careful, it might be hot.
Mom, look it.
Mom, I found a pony.
Look over the field over there. Well, pick that up.
What did you find?
Anna, you shot it. You gotta get that out of the field.
Look, this is still intact.
Yeah, that's where you. Piece of wood that was in there.